Hello, boys and girls. We are ready for math. In math today, you should have this page out, 4.4. It is about counting and ordering numbers to 10. So we're going to be putting some numbers in the correct counting order. So our directions say point to the numbers in the top space and count to 10. So that's going to be super easy for us. Put your finger under number 1 and let's point and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they're in the correct counting order. Now down at the bottom, they want us to trace the numbers in order. So some of the numbers are already done, but we need to trace the ones that they have left out and dotted for us. So when we count, we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we just needed to fill in the numbers they had not written. All right, turn your page and fold it back. You should be warmed up now. All right, here's what they want us to do on these problems. On the first row, we're going to look at the counters in the 10 frame, count the red circles or the counters, and write the number. We're going to do that for red, green, yellow, and blue. So let's do that first. So we're going to count and then write. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to write a 4. They've already done 3. Now we're going to do the next one. Oh, the top row's full, so there's 5, then 6. Look at the yellow ones. The top row's full, so there's 5, then 6, 7. Look at the blue ones. That top row's full. I know there is 5, or I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so there's how many counters were in each 10 frame. Now, when you come down to the next row, they want you to put these numbers in counting order. Well, there's not a 1 up there, so we can't start with 1. We need to find the smallest number up there. Look at each number. 3 is going to be the smallest number up there. So if we were counting these numbers, we would start with 3. So trace your 3. What comes after 3? Yes, 4. After 4 comes 5, then 6, and then 7. All right, so we started with 3 because it was the smallest number. So after you say 3, then you say 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we're going to do the exact same thing down here by the yellow sun. So I want you to go through and count all the counters in the 10 frames and write the numbers. I'm going to do mine. I'm going to give you another minute to finish counting. All right, now look at your numbers. What is the smallest number up there? Because I do not see 1. Yes, the smallest number is 4, so trace the 4. After 4 comes 5, 6, 7, 8. So when we're counting, we do not always start with 1, but we always start with the smallest number. So that was 4 on that one. All right, boys and girls, you will do the next 2 by yourself. You're going to be doing the same thing. You're going to count the counters in the 10 frame, write the number, find the smallest number, and then write the numbers that come after it. If you notice, boys and girls, they're always dotting the smallest number for you in case you have trouble. So count your counters, write the numbers, find the smallest number, then write the numbers that come after it. All right, let me give you directions for the back. All right, by the red apple, they want you to fill in 10 spaces on the 10 frame and then write the number 10. By the blue sun, they've said that you have 6 blue cubes, so they want you to color and mark 6 blue cubes. Remember to mark them first. And then color them in. Then how many cubes left would be red? Color them in and write that number. And at the very bottom, there is a number missing. They started counting with 7. 7, 8. Something's missing. 10. They want you to fill in the circle under the number that is missing. All right, boys and girls, some of that was a little bit tricky, so if you have a question, please send me a message or call me and I can help you. But I think after doing those two together, that you're probably going to be able to do those other two by yourself. Just count the counters in the 10 frame and then put them in order starting with the smallest number. All right, let me know if you have any questions or if you need any help.